Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Beauty by Kandi, and today we are going to be recreating this look. So anyway, this is the look that we are going to create today, but I thought today, because this look is pretty different and it is kind of like what a lot of people are creating anyways today, I thought why not give it a try, and it came out pretty damn good. If this is your first time stopping by to my channel, thank you very much. And if you are my Kandi fan, so thank you very much for coming back as well, guys. I used 2 palettes for the eyes, and then per my color wheel, you guys always gotta have a color wheel if you're gonna do makeup, because if you need to know how to mix colors together or to make a combo of a color if you don't know how to do it, color wheel will always be your like guide. Colors, it says that orange, the opposite color of orange is blue. So that is the reason why I kind of did a blue lip. I know I always do blue lips, but I promise I do not do that usually. So that's kind of why I did like a teal color to kind of balance off the colors, give it a little bit more of a pop. What do you guys think? But I gotta say that I really do like the pops of color, and you know me, I love color. That is pretty much it. I have like nothing else to say, so I'm gonna stop rambling on. Without further ado, let's go ahead and do this look.
Okay guys, so let's go ahead and dive in. We have this blush, and this blush is from NYX Cosmetics. It's their high definition blush in this shade Double Dare. And we're going to be placing that directly above my crease, blending that out. Next, we're going to go ahead and dive into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and we're taking this shade Summer Yum, and we're going to place that directly on the crease and blending that out. Now, to add a little bit definition into the crease, we are going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow Couture palette, and we are going to be taking the shades Morocco and Fudge and placing that directly on the crease and blending that out. Now that that has been placed onto the crease, we're going to go ahead and move on to placing the concealer on the lid. And the concealer we're grabbing is from the NYX Cosmetics Conceal, Correct, and Contour. We're going to take this shade here and place that directly on the lid. Next, we're going to go ahead into my Morphe palette, and this is palette number 35. And we're going to be taking this nice mustard shade and pressing that directly on the outer corner. From that same palette, we're going to go ahead and use that shimmer, and we're going to place that in the middle to the inner corner of the eye. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the face. We are going to be using these 2 samples that I received from my mini haul that I did with Sephora a couple weeks ago. And they actually provided me a sample of the Fenty Beauty Foundation. The shade that they provided me is number 420. And I'm going to go ahead and place the primer all over the face and then just dump that foundation all over and then blend that out. Now that the foundation has been blended, we are going to go ahead and place my NARS concealer, and this is their Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amande, and we're going to place that on my highlighted points. Now to use my favorite contour stick right now, this is the Black Up Cosmetics, and this is in their stick number 4, and I'm going to go ahead and just reshape my face with that contour. Off camera, I went ahead and blended out the highlight and contour and then set my face with my favorite 3 powders. And now it's time to place some blush. We're going to go back in with that same orange shade from NYX and place it on my apples of my cheekbones. And we're also going to use a smudge brush and place that same orange underneath my bottom lash line. And we are going to have a quick intermission. Boyfriend and my adorable little baby boy came in to come hang out with me for a little bit. And so let's move on back to the makeup tutorial. Now we're going to go ahead and highlight my face, and we are going to be using Huda Beauty Summer Highlighter Palette, and we are going to be using the shade Malibu. And now for the finale, we are going to work on the lips here, and we are going to outline my lips. And the shade we are using from NYX Cosmetics is called Sunrise Blue. For the grand finale, we're going to go ahead and place the ColourPop Cosmetics lipstick, and this is in their Ultra Matte Lip Collection, and this is in the shade Dr. M. Now I know in the color wheel I said that blue is the opposite color of orange, which is true. However, I have been doing a lot of blue lips, and I wanted to do something a little bit more with a deeper tone, and I also thought it would bring out the orange as well. So that is why I decided to do a teal lip instead, if you guys were wondering. I also want to do a quick little apology. Did not know that the background was still kind of wrinkly, and I thought I completely steamed out the wrinkles. So my apologies that was there. It's a little embarrassing for me, but I also didn't want to throw away this video because I think the content was great and the look came out amazing. So I'm sorry that it's there. It's a little bit annoying, but if you're hopefully not looking back there, you're just looking at the makeup application.
Well guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of the video. If you did like it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It should be here, there, one of those two. Again, I just want to say thank you so much for the love and support. You guys are amazing. I know I'll probably say that in every video, but in reality, I really do mean it. I'm not here for numbers. I'm here to just put out great content, and I'm glad you guys love it. Thank you again for stopping by, and I will see you guys next time. Deuces. I just realized I forgot one thing. I forgot to finish my eyes, y'all. We gonna do this right now. There we go. Much better. I like to do what I like to do.